world. Light up the stars, I've got some pages to turn. Sing it! I got a ticket to the top of the sky. I'm coming up on the ride of my life. I feel alright, I'm gonna take on the world. Light up the stars, I've got some pages to turn. I'm singing, oh, oh, oh. One more time, oh, oh, oh. I got a ticket to the top of the sky. I'm coming up, I'm on the ride of my life. I'm singing, oh, oh, oh. Take on the world, 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 take on the world. Denver, Colorado. I think you guys could possibly be the most dedicated, patient, best crowd I've ever had. So thank you for that. Mother Nature and I are gonna have a talk after the show. Because I promise you, I would have been singing in the rain. But thankfully we're on stage now. And I need you guys to sing along with me. Who knows this song? Oh, our love was running into a burning building. Oh, our love was scattered ash with a burnt up feeling. Believe, so we started running, you know we saw it coming. But the memories are still in my mind, burning like smoke and fire. Rumors spill like wildfire, and it's strong ground. But I've been burning down, 'cause it's like fire. 'Cause I got you now, we are fading out. Don't wanna turn out the light, but it's like, oh no, fire, fighter. Oh, you just need to breathe tonight. So sound the alarm, and there goes the night. Our love is running into a burning building. Oh, our love is scattered ash with a burnt up feeling. Believe, so we started running, you know we saw it coming. But the memories are still in my mind, burning like smoke and fire. Secrets in a small town, we always get around when the flame has been put out. And I'm hearing all the
your kids out today. And for staying and waiting. Whoa, what's the update? Okay, so, I know you guys probably have heard of the show Girl Meets World.
Yeah!
Actually, I shouldn't just assume. Maybe you haven't, but I'm glad that you have. So we are in the middle of season 3 right now, and it's been very, very exciting. There's a lot of great things happening, and I'm so grateful to be a part of it. For some of you that don't know, I have my first ever Disney Channel original movie coming out at the end of this month. And not only is it something I'm very proud of, it also happens to be the 100th Disney Channel original movie. Which means that all of those movies that you grew up watching, or maybe the ones that you've just seen because you're 4, or if you're 40, I don't know, but I know that they've gone through many different years and many different stages, and I got to do a remake of an incredible movie called Adventures in Babysitting.
Yeah.
So maybe I shouldn't say remake, it's actually an updated version of the classic, but I'm lucky enough to get to be a babysitter.
Yes!
And I wrote this song for that movie, and I want to sing it for you guys. Are too much fun. So, slowly, I can add some more songs, which is a good thing, hopefully. Unless it's past your bedtime. It's past mine, but I'm still here. At this point, I would love to do something because something happened yesterday that I know it shook the world. It definitely shook me. There's so much talent in this world that hasn't been heard yet and gets up on stage every night just because it makes them happy and because they live their dreams and because they're doing what they love and they want to share that happiness with other people. And that's the reason I do it. And there's one particular person that we lost yesterday that just was an inspiration to me since the beginning. And she was so young, which is so crazy to think about that. And she was doing exactly what I'm doing right now, but she didn't get to finish, and she didn't get to finish her journey. So her name was Christina Grimmie, and I know that a lot of people here may or may not have heard of her, but she was an incredible talent. And I want to dedicate this song, White Flag, to her. This is from, thank you. This is from my first album, Eyes Wide Open. I haven't sang it in a long time, but it just reminded me of her, so I wanted to sing this for her. Take it all away, save my heart for another day. I'm up late on the telephone and I'm all alone with a dial tone. Wait till the sun is up, drown my dreams in a coffee cup. Promise I won't beg for luck, but I'm way too proud and never giving up. Oh, something's gotta happen, something's gotta give, and something's got to break. I know someday it's gonna happen, someday it's gonna give. Can't always be this way. And if the riptide comes to get me, pulls me under, it won't upset me. I'll go down. I'll throw the white flag on surrender and knock me down. Not forever, just for now. Get everything I've got, out of reach, but I'll take a shot. Kick rocks in the parking lot, feel like giving up, but I'll never stop. Running like a fool, never win if you never lose. Find hope in a little truth, want all the new tricks, gotta jump through. Oh, something's gotta happen, something's gotta give, and something's got to break. Someday it's gonna happen, someday it's gonna give. Can't always be this way. And if the riptide comes to get me, pulls me under, it won't upset me. I'll go down. I'll throw the white flag, I'll surrender, knock me down. Not forever, just for now. Not forever, just for now. Not forever, just for now. Not forever, not forever, not forever. Won't stay down. Not forever, just for now. Not forever, just for now. Not forever, not forever, not forever. Won't stay down. And if the riptide comes to get me, pull me under, it won't upset me. I'll go down. Oh
Hey, why don't you take over? Sure. Why don't you take over? I don't know what. Is it on? No. Man, I'm trying to record the whole show. My back is going out.
That's her sister right there, singing right there. That's her sister?
That's Sarah.
That's her sister right there.
She also plays. She also is in there.
Sorry for the intermission.
Okay.
Thanks.
Hey!
One of my mentors said to me, who also happens to be the producer, creator of Boy Meets World and Girl Meets World. He's a genius, I know. But he said to me that the really brilliant moments in our life don't happen in the middle of greatness, in the times where everything's going right. They usually happen when everything's going wrong, which is really funny how life works. I don't quite understand it yet, but I'm learning. This song has nothing to do with that. Wait, we're doing a different song, right? Oh yeah, never mind. I'll get to that inspirational talk later. Sorry guys, we're gonna do a different song. Awkward. Okay, so actually this one's a really fun one, and I want you guys to help me. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you a little something, and I want you to sing it back to me. Do you guys think you can do that? Let's try it. Oh, oh.
Put your hands together. Back to the beginning on a hip rewind. Chance to do it over, get it right this time. Life gives you pennies, turn them into dollars. I'm in the middle of starting over. Tired of all the trouble, never wasting my time. I don't wanna cry, gonna leave it behind. Taking on faith, now I'm ready to fight. I'm in the middle of starting over. Back to the beginning on a hip rewind. Chance to do it over, get it right this time. Life gives you pennies, turn them into dollars. I'm in the middle of starting over. In the middle of starting over. Oh, 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 oh. Last time, ready?
So I think they replaced you as my backup singers. I'm just kidding. I can't fire her. She's family. Sing it if you know the words.
Everybody loves to tell me I was born in no soul. Better keep my eyes wide open. So much that I don't know. Just another hotel room. Never felt so all alone. Think about my granddad's eyes and they always send me home. And I can almost hear them. Keep my eyes wide open. Bless this ground unbroken. I'm about to make my way. Nothing don't make you leave my eyes wide open. Can't see 2 steps ahead of me when the fog comes rolling in. I never thought I'd miss the rain,
Because I don't, I'm glad it's gone.
this dream burns inside of me, and I can't just let it go. There's still so much that I don't know. I keep my eyes wide open. Bless this ground unbroken. I'm about to make my way. Nothing will make you leave my eyes wide open. All I have is just a soul. I won't know where to set it. If you don't keep my hand instead, yeah, instead, keep my eyes wide open. Bless this ground unbroken. I'm about to make my way. Nothing will make you leave my eyes wide open. I'm about to make my way. Nothing will make you leave my eyes wide
I don't know.
Is Sarah supposed to drink 2 liters in a day? That's why this looks so intimidating. So this is a new song. It's off of my second album, which is not out yet. But I wrote this song, and I want to sing it for you. Your eyes
passion in my eyes. Was it accidentally falling in love? And your words didn't mean to heal her. No coincidentally more than enough. And all these days I never thought that I would need someone so much you knew. But I don't think I ever planned for this selfless circumstance with you. I swear I'm nervous, but I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. And baby, I know it's weird, but it's worth it, 'cause I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. Get on your feet, go! But I guess that we did it on But I guess that we did it on our dreams, turning into your dreams. It's as if it was the same start. Oh, and my time, changing all of your time. It's a butterfly effect on my heart. And all these days I never thought that I would need someone so much you knew. Oh no, but I don't think I ever planned for this out this circumstance with you. Oh, you're scared, I'm nervous, but I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. And baby, I know it's weird, but it's worth it, 'cause I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. Yeah, I guess that we did it on purpose. Lost in darkness, you're my focus. Love me hopeless. Lost in darkness, you're my focus, baby. Love me hopeless. I know you're scared, I'm nervous, but I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. And baby, I know it's weird, but it's worth it, 'cause I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. At this point in the show, I want to take the time to introduce you to my incredible band. Who's ready? I'm sorry, Mr. David May Morgan, with huge round of applause. On background vocals, we have my lovely sister, Sarah Carpenter. On drums, we have Mr. Tobias. And on bass, we have Mr. Austin Newthorpe. Oh, I like that one. Last but not least, on keys, we have Mr. Will Harrington. And my dog Goodwin couldn't make it tonight. You're scared, I'm nervous, but I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. Baby, I know it's weird, but it's worth it, 'cause I guess that we did it on purpose, on purpose, on purpose. Lost in darkness,
released my debut album, Eyes Wide Open, this past April. Has it been that long? I'm old. Okay, so I've been working on my second album since September of this. I'm confused with dates right now, honestly. But I've been writing this one from start to finish, and it all started with Smoke and Fire. That was actually the first song I wrote for album 2. I didn't know it would be the single, but I do feel like it represented, I love you! The maturity that I'm headed and just the way that music evolves, and the way that I'm evolving with my music. For those who don't know, I started singing, but I couldn't really make an album when I was like 10, because who's gonna buy it? But I still started writing songs when I was 10, and I just couldn't really shake the feeling of music because it's universal. There's no rules or laws that says what music you like, what music you listen to, what music influences you, what music affects you in the right ways. And I wanted to make that for other people. So, I've been working on my second album, which I couldn't be more excited about.